Hello friends, in this video we learn MS SQL Server. That means what exactly MS SQL is. We can see practical also. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a standard language for accessing and manipulating databases where we store data in structured format, that is in column and rows, and we can easily access data from databases. SQL can create new database, new table, stored procedure views, etc. These all points we see further. Subset of SQL. There are total 5 subset of SQLs: DDL, DML, DQL, DCL and TCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. DQL stands for Data Query Language. DCL for Data Control Language and TCL for Transaction Control Language. We first see DDL commands. Here are the DDL commands. There are total 4 DDL commands: create, alter, truncate and drop. Create command is used to create new database or table in database, or we create a new database on a server. Then alter. Alter command is used to alter table. That means if we want to add a new column to an existing table, then we use alter. Or if we want to drop some column from a table, then also we use alter command. Then truncate. To delete all rows of table, we use truncate command. That means all data of the table. Drop. To delete the table, we use drop command. The difference between truncate and drop command is by using truncate command, we delete only data of the table. But using the drop command, we delete data of the table and also schema of the table. That means we delete data and a structure of table. Overall structure we delete by using drop command. Then next, create database. Here is the syntax how how to create database in a server. Create database, then database name is a syntax. Here create and database are keywords. Example is create database sample. Here sample is a database name. This is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. You can easily download this from any browser. Here is a new query option. If we click on this, then this page will be displayed. Here you can easily write queries and execute. So, firstly create database. Query is create database, then database name. Suppose database name is SQL DB. And then select this and execute. To execute this, here is a execute button. Click on this. Then here message was displayed, command completed successfully. That means SQL DB database was created. To see this, here database here database option is there. Refresh this first and then see here SQL DB database was created on the server. Then to create the table, syntax is create table, then table name, and then in circular braces column name with their data type, then next column name data type, and so on. Semicolon is not compulsory. If you given semicolon, then also execute the query, and if you don't write semicolon, then also execute the query. Then example, see here create table, then Student is a table name. Roll number is a column name. And int is a data type. That means data of a roll number column are of a integer type. Then next column name is student name. Then nvarchar. Nvarchar is a data type which holds the characters. And here 20. 20 is a size. That means a student name of maximum 20 size. Then email. Email is also column name. Nvarchar is a data type of email column. And size is here 30. Then marks. Marks is column name and int is a data type. To create a table, right here, create table, then table name. Suppose here student is a table name. Then in circular braces, write a column name with their data type. Here student name is a column name. Then nvarchar is a data type and give any size you want. Then next column of the student table, marks. Then give data type as a int. Similarly, you can create many columns. Then select this, and before executing you have to choose here proper database. That means student table. This table uh, where you want to create. That means in which database you want to create the student table. Here I want to SQL DB database. So select this database and then execute this query. That means a student table was created in database SQL DB. See here, first refresh this, and under SQL database, then under tables, here student table was created. Now see this, here is columns of the student table. Student name and marks. These two columns are created in student table under database SQL DB. Now alter command. That means if we want to add column to table, then we use alter command. Syntax is alter table, then table name. Table name means student name where we want to alter the columns. Then we have to add column name, column name and with their data type. That means which column name we want to add to the table. Then example, alter table student, add phone number and their data type. Here we are adding phone number to the table student. Here alter table student, then add, then column name, phone number, and here data type is integer. Then select this and execute this. Here command completed successfully. That means a phone number column was added to student table. Here you can see, refresh this and see this. In SQL DB under table, under SQL, student table columns. Here are the three columns. Student name, marks, and now phone number also created. Then drop column of a table. Uh, Suppose now we created phone number column. We want to drop this column from a student table. Then syntax is alter table, then table name. Here table name is student. Then drop column. Here column is a keyword. We have to compulsory write column keyword here. If we want to add any column to table, then column keyword was not in syntax. But if we want to drop a column of table, then column keyword is compulsory. Then column name. After that, we don't have to write data type of a specific column name. But at the time of adding a column, we have to compulsory add the write the data type of that column name. Example, alter table student, drop column, then phone number. Alter table student, then drop is a keyword, then column is a also keyword, then phone number, then semicolon is not compulsory, then select it and execute. Here message was alter table drop column failed because column phone number does not exist in table student. That means here I write PHNO phone number and here I write PN underscore NO. So proper column name we have to write here PHNO which we are added and then select this and execute this. Now command completed successfully. Now refresh here and see under table student columns student name and marks only two columns are now student table have. Then truncate command. Truncate command is used to delete all rows or data of the table. Syntax is a truncate table then table name. Now we have only created a student table. We have not inserted any data to the table. That means student name, marks. This data was not filled in table. So this command we will see further. Example is a truncate table then table name student. Next, drop command. Under drop command, we drop database also and drop table also. First, we see drop database. Syntax is a drop database, then database name. Example, drop database sample. Here, sample is a database name. We first drop table and then after that we drop the database because if we firstly drop the database then you cannot see how to drop a table. So we first see this drop table. Here syntax is drop table then table name and example drop table student. Student is a table name. Drop table then table name. Select this and execute this. Message successfully completed. Now refresh it and under table you can see that here student table was not shown because we dropped a student table from database SQL DB. Now we drop the database. Drop database then database name is syntax. Execute here. Here message was cannot drop database SQL DB because it is currently in use. That means here we chosen database SQL DB. So it is now in use. So select any other database, select this query and execute this. Now this command was successfully completed. Now refresh this database and you can see that SQL DB database was removed from server. Thank you. We will see next commands in next lecture. Here DDL commands are done. Now DML, DQL, DCL, TCL commands we will see further. If you have any doubt in this DDL command, then you can ask in comment section. I will solve your problem. If you like this video, then hit like button and subscribe my channel, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.